Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I want to briefly show you how you can set for yourself Jamb questions, especially if you don't want to use past questions. Because truth be told, recently, since Jamb decided to start using CBT, nobody can come out and tell you that he or she has past questions. Of course, because where is the person getting the past questions from? Since they are not hard copies, they are soft copies in the software. So you can see that they are just reproducing, recycling past questions, and then they are naming them as 2026 past questions or 2027 past questions. I hope this part is clear to you. So, but you can set questions for yourself. Currently, with the advent of AI, ChatGPT, and the rest, in fact, time will come that Jamb questions will be set by AI because as knowledge increases, we are getting there gradually. Now, I'm giving you this idea because I've coached students in the past who were able to score up to 360, 70, 350 something, 340 something, and physics, at least the lowest was 96, the highest 98, in between 96 and 98. Okay, so I'm speaking from experience here. If you pay attention, you pass your exam perfectly. The steps are: number one, you open your browser. Okay, let's assume you're using Chrome browser or whatever. Right, Chrome browser. Then you can type chatgpt.com. Okay, chatgpt.com. Let's do that quickly. Chatgpt.com. Hit enter, and once it has entered, you can now give it a set of instructions, as you can see being displayed on your screen. The instruction can be: generate 50 Jamb standard. If it is Waec, you say Waec standard exam questions. Okay, but let's say multi-choice questions on physics, depending on the subject that you want. Okay, focusing on Nigerian syllabus. Limit your questions to the attached scheme of work. Are you here? Then you can drop the scheme of work. I can also instruct it to also attach the correct answer to the question, even with the solution, as you can see. All right. You will now head over to, we are using measurement and units. Okay. So under measurement and units, I'll hold, I'll tap, then I'll copy. You can do it gradually. I'll copy, then I'll paste. I have more, so I'll proceed. I'll go back. Okay, where did we stop in the last one? Form. So tap and continue and attach. Okay, we need to also paste the aim and objectives as attached to the questions. So the objectives here, we copy, we paste. Okay, then we have other part. Candidates should be able to, that's it, we paste. So you can see we have instructed ChatGPT to set these questions for us so that we can use them to practice and to get ready for the exams. Okay, if you want, you can also instruct it and say, think like a professional Nigeria examiner. Right here, and generate 50 Jamb standard exam multi-choice questions on physics, focusing on Nigerian syllabus. Limit your question to the attached scheme of work or syllabus below. Okay, let's use full stop here. Then also attach the correct answers and their solutions to each questions. Below is the scheme of work. I hear the scheme of work on. You get it now. So with this we are ready to go, right? So let's hit instruct now. Instruct. Let's send it. So let's see the magic that this will do for us. Can you see it now? Section A, multi-choice question. The SI unit of length is, you can see, which instrument is most suitable for measuring the internal diameter of a test tube? Can you see them now? A micrometer screw gauge is mainly used to measure. The least count of a standard vernier calipers is usually, are you seeing this one? The volume of an irregular stone is best determined using a. So if you proceed, you see that you would have generated enough questions for yourself to practice. Okay, if you are done with this topic, you now move to another topic. This is how you continue and you cover all the scheme of work or the syllabus. Okay, anywhere you have issues, you can check on the solution part, or you can re-instruct the AI and it will generate these questions for you. I hope you are following. So you can see number 1, the answer I see, meter is SI unit of length and the rest. Now for vernier caliper, number 4, you see that the least count equals 0.01 centimeters. So you can see the options and the correct answers as written by AI. We here. So this is how you can practice, and then you practice, you keep on practicing. And if you want to limit the way it said these questions for you, you can feed it with an example or sample questions. Maybe you copy like 5 past questions and drop and said, these are the sample questions. So ChatGPT will now limit itself and set these questions across in similar fashion to the sample questions you drop to it. I hope you are following. So these are many more, are some secrets. I'm going to give you more secrets in this channel, and we're going to be solving past questions now, especially calculations that involve Jamb questions in the next series that will be coming up. So stay tuned to this channel and subscribe, you share with your friends for more and latest updates.